Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a video using iMovie on Mac. First, we have to open iMovie software. Then we have to click Create New. Then we have to click Movie. Then we see here that Import Media. We have to click on Import Media. By this, we can add some photo, we can add some video. So now I'm gonna add all of them. Here I got some photos and videos too. First I'm gonna drag down a photo here, then I'm gonna drag down a video file. You see here, this is a video file. This is 13.2 seconds video file. Okay, then I'm gonna drag down another photo here. Then I'm gonna drag down another video here. You see here, this is another video is 15.3 seconds here. Or if you wanna import all of them, or if you wanna drag down all of them, you just simply select all of them and you can just drag down here. And if you wanna set some order, if you wanna change it, you can put it here. And if you want to change it back, you can put it, you can just do it like that. You can just drag the photo like that. It's just simple. So here I'm going to show you how to add transitions. Like when we're gonna when video going from one photo to another photo, I mean from one video to another video. So now it's look like this. It's just going from one slide to another slide. Just simply is going from another slide to another slide. But in this gap, we can put some transition here, so it's gonna look better. It's gonna look better. For an example, I'm gonna put page curl left. So now it's gonna look like this. It's look better now. So in that case, we can change the time. Here I'm putting 2 seconds. If you want, you can put like 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 10 seconds. It's up to you. I'm gonna play the video again. You see here. So I'm gonna put another transition here in this gap. So when my video will go from one slide to another slide, it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna put cross zoom, and I'm gonna change this time to, let's see, 3 seconds, and we have to click apply, and I'm gonna play the video again. You see now it's look different. You can put anything if you want. It's gonna look like this, it's gonna look like this one, circle close, you can put circle open. Okay, so we are all done with our video and photos. So now we're gonna add audios. I'm gonna show you how to add audio using iMovie. If you wanna add your own voice, then just click on this mic button. Then you're gonna see here it's a red button here. Once we click this button, it's gonna start recording your own audio voice. So let's see. let's see, I'm going to talk about coronavirus. This video all about coronavirus. So now I'm going to stop this by clicking stop recording here, and then we have to click done. Now I'm going to play this again so we can check the audio. So let's see. Let's see. I'm going to talk about coronavirus. This video all about coronavirus. So now I'm going to stop this by clicking, or if you wanna add some music from iMovie, you can add from here. Before going to add any audio, I'm gonna play it first. Let's see, you wanna add this audio with your video. You can just simply drag down here and it's gonna add with your video. I'm gonna play this video again to check the audio. Let's say we are done with our video. Now you want to share your video on YouTube channel. You can just click right here and you can click on YouTube, and if you want to share with public, then you can click public, or if you want to share with, if you want to keep it private, you can just click on private, then you can put next. Or if you want to share it on your Facebook or Vimeo, then you can click on Facebook. Then if you want to keep it for yourself, or if you want to share it with your friends, or if you want to make it public, then you can click public and you can just click next. So okay guys, this is all about our video tutorial, how to make a video using iMovie on MacBook. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any comment, please put your comment on comment section. Thank you.